Town's Notorious is filled with all the San Miguel de Allende folks that matter. Humorously explained are the streets, schools, store, and neighborhood names. Plus those that try to cross a more international stage like Morticia and the Frito Bandito. Author Joseph Toone is the award-winning author of the San Miguel de Allende Secrets best-selling book series. Here are some samples, including Day of the Dead, Living Here, Coming Home, Christmas, Easter, you name it. Toone is the town's expert, TripAdvisor's top-ranked tour guide, and the international speaker on the power of the feminine, telling the stories behind what we do in town today. International Living Magazine describes Toone as part historian, part storyteller, and part entertainer, explaining everything we foreigners should know to better enjoy San Miguel. Toone is also the creator of the Mexican Maria doll coloring book, an art project promoting and benefiting the indigenous-made Maria doll makers, sponsored by National Geographic. For more information, visit josephtoonetours.com.